Can I purchase a replacement remote for my electric fireplace?
Hello there. We're here today to talk about a common question many electric fireplace owners have, and that is, can I purchase a replacement remote for my electric fireplace? The answer is yes, you absolutely can, and we're going to discuss how you can go about doing that.
What type of replacement remote do I need?
Firstly, it's crucial to understand what type of replacement remote you need. Electric fireplace remotes are not universal, so you need to make sure the replacement matches your fireplace's make and model. Check the user manual or the manufacturer's label on the unit for this information. It's also good to have the old remote on hand for comparison if it's available.
Where can I buy a replacement remote?
Purchasing a replacement remote is typically straightforward once you have the necessary details. There are several places you can look. 1. Manufacturer's website. This is usually the best place to start. Most manufacturers sell replacement parts, including remotes, for their products. 2. Online marketplaces. If the manufacturer's website doesn't have the remote you need, you can also check major online retailers that sell home appliance parts. Remember to make sure the seller is reputable and that the remote is compatible with your fireplace model.
What if I can't find a specific remote?
In the rare event that you can't find a specific remote for your electric fireplace, don't panic. Reach out to the manufacturer's customer service, and they should be able to guide you. They may offer a universal remote that can work with your model, or they may be able to suggest an alternative solution. So, in conclusion, yes, you can certainly purchase a replacement remote for your electric fireplace. Make sure to identify your fireplace's make and model, look for the replacement on the manufacturer's website or reputable online marketplaces, and contact customer service if you're unable to find a specific remote. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in solving your issue.